gusto ko lang tulungan ang ating taong bayan na maunawaan yung nangyayari, and I ask the members of the media to help our cause. Meron po akong dalawang konsepto na nais ilatag. Tulungan niyo po kaming ipaunawa sa taong bayan. Dalawa lamang po. Una, yung salitang akin. Ang daming nalilito sa salitang akin, katulad. Pangalawa, yung konsepto na in dubio pro reo. When in doubt, rule in favor of the accused. Ulitin ko po, dalawa lang. Salitang akin, katulad. Kawangis, pero hindi salamin, ha? Katulad lamang, akin. Pangalawa, in dubio pro reo. Gusto kong maunawaan ng taong bayan yan. Okay. Sa impeachment po, it is a sui generis proceeding. Wala siyang katulad. It is a class of its own. Kaya, tuwing meron pong sinasabi na ang impeachment proceeding sa House ay akin to preliminary investigation, mag-a-apply dyan medyo ang rules of court. Medyo lamang. Pero hindi eksakto. Tama po ba? Okay. Ang mga issue, maiintindihan nyo kaagad kapag inisip nyo yung salitang akin tsaka in dubio pro reo. Bakit? Ano yung mga issue? Kahapon, sinabi nila, gusto nila na mag-cross-examine tayo, no? On our side, gustong i-cross-examine yung mga witnesses. Ang sabi po ng House, hindi naman ito criminal prosecution. Walang right to cross-examine. Okay? Pero, hindi po ang rules of court ang mananaig sa issue na yan. Dahil akin lamang sa preliminary investigation. So when in doubt, kung i-apply natin ang rules of court or hindi, dapat hindi. Ang i-apply natin ay ang konstitusyon. Because this is already akin to a criminal prosecution. Nadje-jeopardize na si Sara. Dahil sa susunod yan, diretso na sa ombudsman yan. Tama po ba? Ang masusunod lang po na rules, strictly, ay ang konstitusyon. At suppletory lamang ang rules of court. Okay. Gusto naman nila na isabi na yung bank records. Di ba, Kong Jing, gusto na raw nila mag-hold ng mini trial. Kanino po nang galing yung salita niya? Sa kanila po sa House. That's what they call a Freudian slip. Gustong-gusto na nilang mag-mini trial. Okay. So sila naman ang gumagamit ng salitang akin. It is already akin to a mini trial. Ano po ba nakalagay sa Article 11 ng Constitution Section 3, number 6? The Senate has the sole power to try and decide all cases of impeachment. Meaning, hindi naman sa trial. Pero pag akin na siya to a trial, mini trial sa kanilang yan, no? Ibig sabihin, trial na yan. Bawal na yan. Wala silang jurisdiction. Therefore, it is fatally flawed. Defective siya. Then, pwedeng iakyat sa Supreme Court to for lack of jurisdiction. Bakit? When in doubt, rule in favor of the accused. Okay? To sum up, ito lang po ang panawagan natin sa taong bayan. Educate yourselves. Every time, pinipilit po ang rules of court o kaya ang iba pang rules that is not applicable in strictissimi juris or juris, no? What will strictly apply only is the Constitution, Article 11, saka Article 3, Bill of Rights, no? Yan lang ang strict natin i-apply. Uulitin ko, pag nagmumukha ng criminal prosecution yan. Okay? In dubio pro reo. Pag nagmumukha ng trial, bawal na yan. Okay? Pag sinabi naman nilang preliminary investigation lang to, hindi pa pwede mag-cross-examine. In dubio pro reo. Pwede na mag-cross-examine dapat. Bakit? Because it's in favor of the accused. Every time may duda, i-apply ang konstitusyon in strictissimi juris and ignore other rules, always in favor of Sara, who is now an accused, is in jeopardy, and alam naman natin kakasuhan nila. And the last message on accountability, no one is avoiding accountability. Kung gusto nyo, kasuhan nyo, hindi po immune ang Vice President. Kasuhan nyo sa ombudsman na kayo naman ang nagtalaga. Kasuhan nyo doon. Pero itong impeachment, para sa akin na, i-dismiss nyo na o ituloy nyo na, sabi nga ni Atty. Ferdy. Kasi kung merong reasonable certainty of conviction sa Senate, iakyat nyo na. At kung wala naman, itigil nyo na para po sa taong bayan. Maraming salamat po.
The hired lawyers of the Vice President, they are actually monitoring all these things. And in my short conversation here with Attorney Bondo, we are in the same mindset that there must be an immediate action. There must be a monitoring because what they are now doing, the Committee on Justice, araw-araw they violate the Constitution. And they should be restrained from further violating and trampling the Constitution. Kasi mali, walang mini trial na nakalagay sa ating saligang batas.
That's why, sir, sa end or sa party po, sir, are we expecting any action?
Are you going to fight po ba?
Magpa-fight kayo sa
I would like to clearly state this for the record. We have not been tasked by anyone to challenge this before the Supreme Court or before any pertinent body. However, as an academic exercise, ako na po ang umaamin sa inyo, as an academic exercise and in the interest of our nation, no? Ako po mismo ay naghanda na ng bullet point argument ready. No, is a very it is a, kung sila may mini trial, kami may mini draft. No? Meron kaming mini draft.
Bakit yung Senado mo, Mini, nakatingin ka sa akin?
No. But you know why? Because lahat naman po tayo gusto natin maging handa. But the reason why I wrote it agad, we wrote it, no? Kami ni Attorney Bobet, is because it was too easy to write. It was too easy because the violations are too blatant. Kaya po nangyayari to as a last statement, no? Kasi po, bagamat hindi sufficient in substance and in form sa aming palagay yung mga sinabmit. Ang problema po, yung mga nasa nakaupo po, ang mga sufficient in substance abuse. No? Sila yung sufficient in substance abuse. Kaya ako po, sana mag-ingat sila kasi baka mahirap yung substance abuse kasi baka maging sufficient in formalin sila pagdating ng ending.
So you'll be filing it at So you'll be filing it at Ribondong anytime soon?
No, let me clarify.
You're-
Let me clarify. We have not been tasked by anyone. Ginawa po namin to in the interest of justice. Taus-puso po yan. Kasi po, based on their public pronouncements pa lang, it is so easy already to rebut all of their allegations.
Okay. Next.
Well,
Next.
let me